Hey there, skincare enthusiasts. Welcome back to my new channel, your ultimate source for quirky health tips and food benefits. Today, we're going to talk about a tiny seed that packs a big punch, chia seeds. Ever wondered how these little powerhouses can transform your skin? Stick around, because we're diving into the amazing benefits of chia seeds for your skin and how to easily incorporate them into your skincare routine. Let's get started. First things first, what are chia seeds? These tiny seeds come from the Salvia hispanica plant, which is native to Central America. They were a staple in the diet of ancient Aztecs and Mayans, and for a good reason. Chia seeds are loaded with nutrients, omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, fiber, protein, and essential minerals like calcium and magnesium. They're basically the Swiss Army knife of the seed world. Think of chia seeds as the underdog of the health world, small but mighty, kind of like the Ant-Man of superfoods. You might be thinking, how can these tiny seeds possibly benefit my skin? Well, buckle up, because we're about to find out. Let's break it down. Chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help maintain the skin's moisture barrier, keeping it hydrated and plump. They also contain antioxidants that fight off free radicals, reducing signs of aging like fine lines and wrinkles. Plus, the zinc and magnesium in chia seeds can help reduce inflammation and combat acne. So basically, they're like a multitasking miracle worker for your skin. Imagine waking up with skin that's hydrated, smooth, and glowing. Sounds like a dream, right? But with chia seeds, it can be your reality. And the best part? You don't need to spend a fortune on fancy skincare products. Chia seeds are affordable and versatile. Now, let's get into how you can add them to your skincare routine. Alright, let's talk DIY skincare. Here are 3 easy ways to incorporate chia seeds into your routine. 1. Chia seed facial mask. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. Let it sit for about 10 minutes until it forms a gel-like consistency. Apply this gel to your face, leave it on for 15-20 minutes, and then rinse off with warm water. Your skin will feel super hydrated and refreshed. 2. Chia seed scrub. Combine 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. Gently massage this mixture onto your face in circular motions, then rinse off. This scrub will exfoliate your skin, leaving it smooth and glowing. 3. Chia seed serum. You can also make a chia seed infused serum. Soak 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in 1/2 cup of water overnight. Strain the gel and mix it with a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Apply a small amount to your face before bed for a nourishing overnight treatment. Now I know what you're thinking. Is my face going to smell like a salad? Fear not. The mild scent of chia seeds is barely noticeable, and the benefits far outweigh any slight aroma. Plus, if you use essential oils, you'll smell amazing. Adding chia seeds to your skincare routine is a game changer. Not only are you nourishing your skin with natural ingredients, but you're also taking a step towards a more sustainable and eco-friendly beauty regimen. And who doesn't want that? Remember, consistency is the key. Use these DIY treatments regularly to see the best results. Your skin will thank you, and you'll be glowing from within. So, next time you're at the store, grab a bag of chia seeds and start experimenting with these fun and effective skincare recipes. Your skin deserves the best, and chia seeds are here to deliver. Trust me, once you start, you won't look back. Here's a quick recap of the benefits of chia seeds for your skin. Hydration. Chia seeds help to keep your skin hydrated and plump by maintaining the skin's moisture barrier. Anti-aging. The antioxidants in chia seeds fight off free radicals, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Anti-inflammatory. Zinc and magnesium in chia seeds reduce inflammation and combat acne. Brightening. Regular use can result in brighter, more radiant skin. Natural exfoliation. The texture of chia seeds can gently exfoliate dead skin cells, promoting a smoother complexion. Thanks for tuning into my channel. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with your friends. Have you tried chia seeds in your skincare routine? Let us know in the comments below. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep glowing. See you next time.